Hi, friends. Welcome to another episode of Joyce Lens. My name is Joyce. I'm a medical student who is also a UI UX designer. And in this video, I will be telling you of UX certification courses that are absolutely free. Without further ado, let's get into the video. As the demand for user experience design increases, more people are getting interested in pursuing a career in UX design, and the prices of the bootcamp these days can be very expensive, ranging from $1,000 upwards. There are several free online certificate courses that are absolutely free in this video, and then some companies are willing to give their $1,000 course for free in this video. So I urge you stick around to get this information. So if you're new here, welcome. We talk about everything from tech to productivity. We're talking about UX today. If you don't know what UX is, UX means user experience. If you need more points on who a UX designer is, you could go back to my last video. The link will be in the description or somewhere here. You can go back to my last video and watch exactly what UX is all about. It will give you a guide on how to go forward with this field. We'll be discussing the different free UX certificate courses. From the most popular one, we have the Google UX certificate course. This course, the Google has partnered with Coursera to give you this course for free, and it's an 8 weeks course. This is an amazing course. Beginning my own journey, I started with Google UX design course. Now, the thing about Google UX design course is it gives more knowledge on UX design than it does on UI design. So it's a very good place for foundation, and it's designed to teach students the basics of UX design, including UX research, prototyping. And after completing the course, the students will receive a certificate from Coursera, and you'll be eligible to apply for a UX design job. So it's an amazing course by Google. Kudos to Google. They did an amazing job there. And they have a lot of great designers on board, designers that work in Google. So they give you like um a blueprint on how to become a UX designer in Google. The next on our list is the product team. The product team was created by his name is Builders Joshi, and this course consists of the basics of UI, and it's a very limited course. Like he takes in like 30 people on each cohort, and it's a nice course if you get the opportunity to get into the slot which he picks, because he has like live Q&As. He does free one-to-one mentorship if you get access to the course, though does free Q&As and free mentorships, free one-on-one mentorship, and he will also assist you to create your case study in your portfolio. That's just awesome. And if you're lucky you get in, then you have a jackpot there. So the next we're talking about is a creative block. Now, if you're familiar with UI publications, you should know Creative Block. Creative Block is one of the biggest UI publication in the industry, and they have a course which they host for about $1,000. But if you will take part in their 2 minute survey, they'll give you the course for free. But not everyone has the chance, though. Not everyone gets the luck of getting into the course. So if you are lucky, you can try your luck and see if you get in. And this amazing course, they are in partnership with Person Institute, and they have trusted design hands on this course. You have design the lead designers in Spotify. They have their own roles in teaching this creative blocks course. And the next is the Code Academy. If you ever learn to code as a self-taught programmer, I bet you've come across Code Academy. It's one of the biggest companies who organize a program to train people how to code. Now they have a course for UI designers. That's amazing. I took the course personally, and it gives good fundamental. Now the next design course will be the Hype 4 Academy. Now this Hype 4 Academy was created by a great YouTuber Michael. He has a lot of ebooks and courses on this site for free, and I'll ask you to focus on the free ebooks. They're quite resourceful and they're trusted and very, very educative. So these are the free UX design courses we've spoken on: Google UX course, on producting, on the Hype 4 Academy. These are awesome UI design resource course that you can do for absolutely free and become a great designer. Yeah, so if you want to know more about what UX design is, I have a video that talks about it, talks about their salary, talks about their responsibilities, their roles in the company. If you want to know more about them, please go back to that video. To be in my description box or somewhere around here. So go back to the video and know what UX design is about. Yeah. So thanks for staying through to the end of this video. I really appreciate. Please, if you enjoy contents like this, stay subscribed. We'll bring up more content, and also please like the video so those who have same interest as me and you will get to see this video. So I always like to say, don't put yourself in that box. Constantly amaze yourself. I'm rooting for you. Thanks for watching. Bye.